یہ ریز کیا ہو. دیکھیں نا, it is still an enlisted party, regardless of whatever the constitution says, unless the election commission has objection and issues you a notice کہ آپ کی enlistment ختم کر دے. لیکن وہ آج بھی آپ کو ایک enlisted political party مانگتی ہے. لیکن ایک کوشچن جاننے سے پہلے دیکھیں نا, آرٹیکل 51 بڑا ایکسپلسٹ ہے, خاص کر سب آرٹیکل 1. The house cannot be left incomplete. اب وہ کانسٹیٹیوشنل ڈیوٹی کس کی ہے, ریگارڈلیس کہ کوئی اپلیکیشن دیتا ہے یا نہیں, ٹو اس ہاؤس کو کمپلیٹ کرنے کا. اسپیکنگ فار مائی سیلف, اٹ از دیٹ آف دی الیکشن کمیشن. اور جس طرح مائی لارڈ یحییٰ فریدی نے بڑا پرٹیننٹ ریز کیا, it is the voters' right that is the most important. It was for the election commission to have identified those political parties which had contested the elections as candidates of that political party, and then they should have distributed these seats in accordance with the proportional representation system. Now it appears, you see, I mean, speaking for myself, and it's a bit surprising that the election commission, rather than acting as a custodian of the rights of the people, it has assumed an adversarial position. So it was not for the parties to have approached the election commission. It was a constitutional duty, whether aapki party ko milta ya PTI ko milta, and that is still the duty of the Election Commission.
I agree, sir.